What's up, guys? Today I went to the store to buy a fidget spinner and they didn't have any. None at all. And that's just not good because I don't have one yet. But I thought I'd show you something I did today. I made a homemade one out of Lego. It doesn't spin for very long, but at least it still spins. See? And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. Thanks for watching and bye.